Do you know what a queef is?
No, I don't know what the quiff is.
Okay, ask Siri what is queef.
Oye, Siri, what's that mean in English? Squiffies. Let me search in Google.
Honey. No, it's queef, not squeefy. I don't even know what you're
Squiff.
No. Queef.
Quiff.
Yeah.
What's that mean? Quiff. Okay, the significance for quiff is expulsion of air through the vagina.
Do you know what that means? Es un pedo por frente. Yeah.
Oh, it's the fart vagina?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Did you know that was a thing?
Do you have a fart vagina?